Okay, good evening everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to charge a remote control car with a rechargeable battery. Okay, there are some kind of the battery as you can see on the table. They are packaged like this, and one small battery like this. It depends on the remote control car that you use. So now I'm gonna show you how to connect the battery to adapter and charge it. Okay, if you got the adapter with the cable connection like this, first of all take out the battery and you need to connect one side of your battery to the adapter. So let's check out. You can see the connection, there are two pins, so I have to. Okay, now let's see closer. You can see there's two pins inside the connection and the lock key here. So remember the lock position. And for your battery side, you can see there's two hole connection and one lock that connect to the lock key. Okay, so you need to connect the position of the lock and the lock together and press it smoothly, so don't force it. You will make the pin connection, so just press it little bit by little bit. When it connect, you will feel the lock. Okay, after that connect this to the socket and you will see the red light appear to the adapter. Okay, so now I show you. This is the socket, and when you connect it, okay, you will see the red light appear. So when the battery fully charged, you will see the red light disappear. So mostly you gonna ask me how long does it take to fully charge, so I'm not sure. It depends on the battery size and depend on the adapter. So I suggest not to leave it too long. Maybe it's used around 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. So just keep an eye on it, don't charge it overnight. Okay, and for the small side connection, you will get this USB and the adapter connection look the same, and you can see the size of battery. It's 500 mAh, and for the bigger size it's up to 2000 mAh. Okay, so the connection the same, pin, lock key, and the hole, lock position. Connect it together smoothly, press. Okay, on the other hand, after fully charged, when you want to disconnect it, so you need to press the lock key to make the connection unlock. Okay, you can see now it's unlocked, then take it out. So don't take out before you press the lock key. You can see if you take out, so it's not gonna take out. If you force it, you will then make the cable, so it's difficult to repair it by yourself. And now after you connect the USB connection, you need to have the additional adapter from your phone. If you have the USB type, connect it to your adapter, and this time connect to the socket. Okay, and you will see the red light appear to the USB connection. Okay, So wait until it's fully charged, then you can connect it back to your car. Okay, to connect to your car, the connection of this socket is the same as in your car. So I'm not take too long in this video how you can connect to the car. So let's check out in the next video. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope this video will help you to charge your remote control car battery by yourself. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.